can switch to camera 1 to show your face.
And am I streaming right now?
Oh, your camera is sleeping again.
Okay, so we got to fix that, but we'll do that on the next one. I'll just turn both of these cameras on.
Yeah, that one I think is working. I think so. That one didn't. We changed the settings on that one, but
okay, so that's one. Let me check 4. Now, press stop button to prepare for movie shooting. Shouldn't it?
Go back to menu, I think, or go back on that one.
Okay. I'm gonna turn it off and on.
Okay.
No, it's not. It's not streaming now. Okay, I turn it on.
There we go.
Okay, now.
And then press the info button. Okay, yeah, perfect.
Okay,
it's
so
working.
It's okay now. Okay.
Yeah.
So if I went to 4, that's 4. That's 3. That's 2. That's 1. And
perfect.
We're back to testing on this live streaming right now, and I want to go back. I want to take a look at it. So I'm going to look at this channel
now. Yeah, it's going to be on YouTube. It's going to be on Facebook. It's going to be on LinkedIn.
It's right now. It's live streaming. So if I would just click on this right here.
Yeah, it's going to be on.
Okay, so I'm looking at this camera, and I'm seeing that. Let me look at now LinkedIn.
Yeah, it should be linked on all of those 3 at the same time as well.
Okay. And how would I go here? Where would I see the live stream on LinkedIn? I can go to 3. There's my LinkedIn page. Is it on video? Where might it be streaming, do you think?
That's a good question because I haven't used LinkedIn for streaming, but I can figure it out.
Okay.
Let me see here.
So that's one area where oh, I know why, because I'm streaming to the prison professor's page rather than my personal page, I think. And that's it right there. So I should be streaming here.
Okay.
Now I don't see a stream.
Oh, is it that or no?
No, these are posts that go up. But what we want to see is we want to be able to stream right here. I wonder if I clicked on video if I'd see it. No, this is asking me to create a video.
Yeah.
Cancel that. Content. I don't see it here on LinkedIn. Let's take a look at the Facebook function and see if it's streaming there. So it was streaming, I think, to my personal page.
Yeah.
Which is right there. But I don't see a stream.
Let's go to Restream and
Restream is going to be on this channel here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
so
somebody's commenting there on YouTube from YouTube.
You're on YouTube, yellow. Oh, okay. So that's Katrina again. So how do I respond to Katrina?
You can just click right there.
Right there.
Right there. And then.
Hi, Katrina. We're still training. We're still training. I'm trying to learn how to stream on multiple sites. YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Lots to learn. Okay, so Restream.io sends that out as Restream.io, I guess.
Oh, because it's free version right now, but you can change that to be your name, and it'll be 100%. But right now, as a testing phase, it's perfect.
So now
let's go to destinations right there.
Look at this. When I go to, when I show it on YouTube, and right now, you see on YouTube, you're very helpful. Katrina's been very helpful.
Yeah, #1 fan right now.
So So right now, do you see my screen?
Yep, it's working.
So that's the YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel I can see is working.
Yep. So go to Restream on the computer.
Go to Restream on which computer? The MacBook Pro?
On the MacBook Pro, yes. I want to see the destinations on the...
So go to destinations?
Yes. I'm not seeing your screen right now.
So I need to go to 2.
Yes, thank you. It is... You see there, it's online only on YouTube, but it's not showing online on the other ones.
Okay.
So there's something that needs to be done there to make it work 100%. Maybe you need to have some kind of permission from LinkedIn or something. So you're probably gonna have to turn that off by flicking that little button on the right side of it. You see Facebook and LinkedIn has a little blue with a white dot button on the right side. Sorry. All the way to the right.
Here? On the Restream screen or on the OBS screen?
On the Restream screen, under the titles, you see where update titles are. There's 3 channels.
Oh, so that's on the right on my side. I see YouTube, Prison Professor. Yes. Okay.
So there's a little blue with a white circle. That will turn off that stream. So if you click on it, it turns it off. You can turn it off. And I want to check 2 things. Either turning it back on or clicking on that little engine and the gear by seeing the little information. Edit settings. So let's try that because for some reason it hasn't been able to.
Oh, it says you don't meet the requirements to host a LinkedIn event. Okay, so I have to find out why.
Exactly. So that will solve LinkedIn's issues by figuring that out. And then why can't we do a Facebook one? Let's click live on that one and see what happens. Because Facebook, I think it should work. It's your personal profile, this one, right? So it's on your personal. What is that? Yeah, you can click that. You can click that on again.
Okay.
Perfect.
Sending data.
So let's just see if that works. So until it shows online, it's not going to work on Facebook. But for some reason, it's not showing online right now. We can investigate that a little bit. But for multicast, this is kind of how it looks like. So then you have the chat box. That's perfect because then it's a universal chat box for all those streams. So you don't have to go to YouTube, go to LinkedIn, go to Facebook. You can just talk on one place on that chat part right there on the LinkedIn. Above the update titles, there's little buttons, destinations, and chat.
So turn that off right here?
Yeah. So that is a universal chat box where you can talk with YouTube, LinkedIn,
once
Facebook.
I'm streaming to those other products.
Exactly.
Okay.
So it's a very you can talk with all of them through there. It'll be a very fun, easier way to do it. And then I think there's programs where you can even bring those to another place that's even easier to see. I'll walk you through those.
Okay, let me stop the stream now so we can do some more offline training. So I'm just going to go to